Hello and welcome back to Chatterbox English. I'm Elena.
And I'm Pavel. Today we're hitting the streets, or rather the buses, trains, and tubes of a big city. We're mastering how to use public transport in English.
Absolutely. Whether you're visiting or living in a new place, this is a fundamental skill that gives you freedom and saves you money. So, Pavel, imagine we've just landed in London. We need to get from our hotel to the famous British Museum. Where do we even start?
Well, I check a map on my phone first, but what if my data is slow, or I want to ask a local for the best way?
Good point. You can approach someone politely and ask for directions to the transport. For example, "Excuse me, could you tell me the way to the nearest underground station, please?" Or if you see a bus stop, "Does this bus go to the city center?"
Okay. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center? Simple. Let's say I find the tube station. Next, I need a ticket. The machines always look complicated.
They can be, but the words are always the same. First, you choose your ticket type. A single or one-way ticket is for one journey. A return or round trip is for going there and back. For a day of travel, a day travel card or day pass is best. In many cities, you use a rechargeable card, like an Oyster card in London. You top it up, add money, and then tap in and tap out.
So, at the machine, I might look for the button that says Day Pass. What if I need help?
You can ask a staff member, "Hello, I'd like a day pass for zones 1 and 2, please." Or, "Could you help me top up my Oyster card?" Now you have your ticket. You're on the platform. How do you make sure you get on the right train?
I'd look at the big electronic sign. It shows the destination, where the train ends, and the next stop. But the announcements can be hard to understand.
They can be muffled. Key phrases to listen for are, "This is a Central Line train to Ealing Broadway. The next station is Oxford Circus." If you're unsure, you can ask a fellow passenger, "Sorry, does this train stop at Baker Street?" Always a good idea to double-check.
Excuse me, does this train stop at Baker Street? Got it. And what's the etiquette? What should you do or not do?
In many places, it's polite to let people off the train before you get on. You might hear, "Please mind the gap between the train and the platform." Avoid loud conversations, and if you have a backpack, take it off in a crowded carriage. Now, let's do a full practice. I'll be a tourist information officer at a station. You need to get to the British Museum.
All right. Hello, could you help me, please? I need to get to the British Museum.
Certainly. The easiest way is to take the Piccadilly line from this station to Holborn. It's about 4 stops.
The Piccadilly line to Holborn. Okay. What's the best ticket to buy if I'll be traveling around all day?
I'd recommend a day pass for Zone 1. You can use it on all tubes and buses in the center. You can buy it at any machine over there.
Thank you. And one more thing. How do I find the right platform for the Piccadilly line?
Just follow the signs. They're color-coded. The Piccadilly line is dark blue. You'll see signs saying Piccadilly line with an arrow.
Perfect. Thanks so much for your help.
Excellent. Now, a trickier scenario. You're on the bus, you're not sure when to get off, and your phone is dead. What do you do?
Oh, that's stressful. I guess I could ask the driver when I get on, "Could you please tell me when we get to Oxford Street?" But he might be busy.
That's a common and okay thing to do. Alternatively, ask a friendly-looking person sitting near you, I'm sorry to bother you. I'm trying to get to Oxford Street. Could you give me a nod when we're close? Most people are happy to help.
That's a relief. So the golden rules are 1. Plan your route with key words, line name, destination. 2. Know your ticket types. 3. Don't be afraid to ask for help politely, twice if needed.
Exactly. Public transport is a puzzle, but with these phrase keys, you can solve it in any English-speaking city. It's the best way to see the real pace of life. Thanks, Elena. I feel ready to go and explore.
Wonderful. Go tap in, tap out, and enjoy the ride. Thank you all for learning with us.
See you on the next journey with Chatterbox English.